As you know that how we derive this expression for KH, that is the KH is equal to KW upon KA, right? So that means we were deriving these three expressions for a given reaction, that is for the anionic hydrolysis, that is we have already done with the hydrolysis constant. We know that expression for KH is this KW upon KA, right? Now we look for the degree of hydrolysis, right? So in order to show the degree of hydrolysis, again I have to write an expression of anionic hydrolysis, that is this A negative plus H2O forms HA plus OH negative, which I wrote earlier also in the previous equation, right? So this is what we have the anionic hydrolysis equation, right? Now just to check the degree of hydrolysis, we have to consider the certain concentration. Suppose I say that initial concentration of this is C and it was 0, and at ionic equilibrium it is 1 minus H CH CH. Now from where the C1 minus H came, I think you remember that we did in the equilibrium constant expression as well. Suppose I take that this concentration is C and they are 0 and 0, but with passage of time what they form CH and CH. That means what we are left with the C in this case, C minus CH. So I can write in this manner also. This is what I wrote directly, that is C is equal to 1 minus H, right? Now we are going to write the equilibrium constant expression for it. So we have the hydrolysis constant expression as HaOH negative divided by A negative, right? Now I am going to put the values, substitute just values which I indicated here. So Ha is CH, this OH is again CH, A is C, right? 1 minus H. So this is KH, right? Now I am just solving this equation. So on solving, what do I get? I get KH is equal to C square H square C1 minus H. I know that you can do it. You can solve it, this equation, right? So I'm just cancelling the C with this C. What I get, I'm just left with KH is equal to CH square 1 minus H, right? If I consider it as a weak acid, that means if the degree of hydrolysis is small, then I can neglect this H, right? So I'm just neglecting this H in this equation, and what do I get? I get KH is equal to CH square, right? Or I can write this hydrolysis, degree of hydrolysis is just equal to KH upon C, this, right? So this I have got an expression for this, that H is equal to KH upon C, right? We also know that KH is equal to KW upon KA. So I can write this equation in this way also, that H is equal to KW upon KA into C. So either of it can be an expression to show the degree of hydrolysis. I think it's clear to you. Again, I'm repeating, see, I've just considered our initial concentration as C and both of them at 0. With passage of time, we take that the concentration becomes CH and CH. So that means we are left with A negative, that is the C1 minus H, right? So I've just wrote an expression for KH and just substituted the value, just solved this value, and I got an expression H is equal to KH upon C. And we know that the H, that is the hydrolysis constant, is due equal to, that is the KW upon Ka. So I just wrote this hydrolysis constant value, that is KW upon Ka in C. So this is how we are going to indicate the degree of hydrolysis. I think you are clear with the degree of hydrolysis as well. So whenever you get a question for an ionic hydrolysis, just write an expression, then derive the value for the H if you are asked to do for the hydrolysis constant. And if somebody asks you to know, just show the degree of hydrolysis, then do this kind of expression considering the initial concentration as C, and then again just following the same rules we did for the equilibrium constant expression before also. So just solve for it and you are going to get the value. It's not a difficult task, right? Now we are just going to look for the third property, that is the pH. Right. So how we are going to know about the pH? We know that in case of pH, if we consider the same equation, so that means, because we know that pH is somehow is equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. So we need to have the hydrogen ion concentration from it first. So we know that hydrogen ion concentration is equal to Kw upon OH negative. From where this equation came? It came from ionic product of water. We know that Kw is equal to concentration of H ion into concentration of hydroxide ions. This is what I wrote, right? So because I need to have a concentration of this H, so this H is equal to Kw upon OH negative, right? So what is the concentration of this OH negative? That is CH, because we will not be putting the H ion concentration because we want to calculate it, right? So that means H positive is equal to Kw and OH is CH negative, CH. So this is what I wrote, right? Now we have the value for this H also, right? So I can just substitute this value here. So I'm just substituting this value, and after substituting, what I get? This, right? On solving, what we have? Right. So this is how we are going to do. We are just, what I'm doing is I'm writing the pH and then just I'm deriving the hydrogen ion concentration.